Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get this mic on Roblox. So if you guys want to get this mic on Roblox, just follow me in this video. And also I'm going to tell you how to use it. So guys, before starting, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. So let's start the video. So guys, first of all, if you want to get this uh, mic, or is it also called as voice chat on Roblox. So if you want to get this mic on Roblox, you need to verify, first of all, verify your age if you haven't verified your age yet. So to verify your age, you have to upload the government issued ID, like there can be a voter ID card or any ID card that you have, which is issued by the government. So let's see how can you do that. First of all, you need to open the browser and just go for roblox.com. Once you're here, you have to search for, or you have to go to settings. In setting, we have to be in the account info. In account info, you have to first of all verify your age. So you can see that my age is verified. That's why I got this mic on Roblox. So to get verified, what you need to do, you have to upload as I told you, you have to upload the back and front side, front and back side photo of the government issue ID, and also you have to take a selfie and um, upload it on the Roblox website. And once you upload, your age will be verified, and this option will be appear in privacy. So you just need to scroll down, and as you can see, this option will be enabled after verifying your age. Fine. So you have to verify your age before getting this feature. So hope you understood. And also you have to make sure that the communication is set as a default. That's then, and you can use this mic icon. So now to enable this or to use it, you have to see if any game that supports a microphone as a communication. If supports, you just need to click on the Roblox icon and enable the mic from here. Now you can see that the mic has been enabled, and the red dot shows that you are using a mic. So if I enable the face cam as well, the red dot shows that my voice is recording. So that's how you can do it. Hope you get it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.